The second generation NX replaces a model that has been very successful. More than 170,000 have been sold in Europe, the vast majority of them to first-time Lexus buyers, making NX a true conquest champion. To build on this success, we knew we had to do more, and as you'll see, we have. We looked at every aspect of the vehicle and asked ourselves, how could we do even more for our customers? We're not just talking about content or technology, we're also talking about the engagement, the vitality that people will feel. From the rewarding driving experience, its sense of control when you're at the wheel, or from the comfortable and exceptionally crafted cabin full of the latest tech, as well as the individuality of Lexus Brave design, combined with the reassurance of a class-leading standard safety system. This is a car that is instantly recognizable as an NX, but is more sophisticated with a confident, muscular stance that reflects its more engaging character. Beyond the way the car looks, there is genuine purpose to the design, what Koichi Suga calls functional beauty. As you walk around the car, you can see how every angle has been carefully considered. Through the Elfiness design approach, sharp lines are seamlessly blended with smooth and elegant forms, creating a really eye-catching look. The NX shows a different expression of itself from every viewing angle. And the LX spindle grille, a signature feature of Lexus design, has also evolved and has become an integral part of the car's overall form, giving a confident stance. This is further accentuated by the short overhangs, the wide track, large wheels, and flared wings, which project a sense of agility and sure-footed performance. Inside, we have introduced a completely new cabin architecture with a driver-oriented cockpit and a more open, relaxing space for the passenger. The NX is the first model to use our new Tazuna cockpit layout. The shape, the orientation, and functionality of the controls, as well as the information displays, are precisely calculated so they quickly become intuitive to operate. The aim is to inspire confidence and reduce distractions, allowing the driver to feel more connected with their car and feel more from the driving experience. To complement this, our focus for the front passenger was to create a greater sense of space and luxurious comfort. And as you would expect from a Lexus, you will also see examples of the incredible Takumi craftsmanship that sets Lexus apart in the use of high-quality materials and flawless finishing. The in-cabin experience has been taken to the next level by a brand new connectivity and multimedia platform, providing smart technologies to keep people informed, entertained, and in touch when on the move. The huge 14-inch Lexus Link Pro high-definition touch display is one of the largest and most vibrant in the segment, and its new operating system is 3.6 times faster than the current platform. This means fluid touchscreen operation, lightning-fast response, and the ability to introduce more and more advanced features. Just say, "Hey Lexus," and the new assistant makes life on board even more convenient, responding to natural language dialogue and offering a list of capabilities that will continue to expand. And where local connectivity allows, access to the advanced cloud navigation provides real-time journey information without drawing on your data plan, since this comes as standard. Under the skin, the new NX's Global Architecture K platform is the basis for its superior dynamic performance. This gives the car a lower center of gravity, a wider track, and much greater body rigidity. Our goal is to deliver what we call the Lexus driving signature. And this means exceptional levels of comfort and quietness with excellent driving dynamics. The car's throttle, steering, and braking response are fully faithful to the driver's intentions at every moment. To fully leverage these new developments, we're also introducing a wider and more dynamic range of powertrains. Most notably, our first ever plug-in hybrid electric model, the NX 450h Plus. Born from the extensive experience gained through our luxury hybrid leadership, the 450h Plus will be the reference plug-in model for the segment. 306 horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers in about 6 seconds, and a 63-kilometer best-in-class EV driving range with CO2 emissions below 40 grams per kilometer. Of course, as the hybrid leader and in the spirit of NX, there's more. Our PHEV system will deliver significantly greater efficiency than our competitors when the battery charge has been depleted, and we estimate that improvement to be at least 20%. And this is key, as we know customers in this category will often make longer journeys. This is also why the NX has one of the largest fuel tanks in the segment at 55 liters. And this without compromising boot space, which is just as large as that in the NX Hybrid. No intrusion from the PHEV system. There's also space under the deckboard where the charging cable can be stowed, which is appropriate for a luxury vehicle. So clearly, NX will be the reference PHEV that offers more. At the same time, we're strengthening our electrified offering with the new NX350h, featuring our 4th generation self-charging hybrid system. 22% more power, 15% quicker acceleration with 0 to 100 in just 7.7 seconds, yet we expect CO2 emissions to be reduced by around 10%. So in fact, the new NX has been conceived and engineered to allow you to feel more in every moment of your journey. And that statement reflects our ability to match technology with the human-centered quality of the Lexus brand and the new NX. The significance of the new NX goes beyond the launch of an individual model. It marks the beginning of a new chapter for Lexus. NX was chosen to lead Lexus into our next chapter, not only because it represents a step change in the vehicle itself, but also it brings a change to the way we develop our vehicles. Chief Engineer Takeaki Kato will tell us more about the priorities for the new car and how they took the success of the original model to a higher level. Let's take a look.